Are you worried about your retirement and you'd love to find a way to transform your financial future? The online world seems the obvious place to look, but you've got no idea where to start. And it seems to be filled with so much hype and overstated claims. And yet in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how you could create an online income, even if you've got no prior knowledge or experience, just like me 18 months ago. Or perhaps like me, you've traded your best years in exchange for an income, maybe a very good income. And yet, as you approach your golden years, you realize you've simply run out of time to retire well, and you've got little choice but to carry on working. I know how that feels. It's soul destroying and with not a lot to look forward to. Now listen, you could turn that reality completely on its head by doing something similar to what I've done. You could follow the step-by-step blueprint that I followed, and it'll teach you how to create automated online income streams. It's a total game changer because once you've built your digital asset, it continues to work for you and return an income even when you're not working. It's the secret to time freedom. But what do I mean by a digital asset? What does it really look like? Come on, tell me. Well, let me give you a few examples from people who've utilized this blueprint to build their version of online success. It could be a membership website around a passion, an interest, or a problem, like choir singing, van life, or perhaps a fertility challenge. Or it could be promoting your existing business, or learning how to create a YouTube ad or a Facebook ad promoting a training program. Maybe it's a website selling physical products, or blog posts via email, or even your own YouTube channel. The thing I love about this framework is it takes you on a journey of discovery to find your perfect niche, what really will suit you, and then how to turn it into a viable offer. And the result is you build something you're really proud of and are passionate about, and therefore far more likely to be successful at promoting. And yet I hear those doubts flooding in. How could I do that? How difficult is it really? Maybe I'm too old. I've got little or no online knowledge or experience. These are all legitimate questions, ones I asked myself. And yet the beauty of this program is it's a step-by-step framework and you can learn everything you need. Tech's getting easier all the time and your life experiences are actually to your advantage. Anyone can do this, provided they're open to learning something new. And the thing that's been so exciting for me personally is I've been able to create my online offer in a relatively short space of time and smash that myth that the only way to build a viable retirement income is through decades of hard saving. Well, I've done the equivalent of that inside 18 months, and I now have a future to look forward to, one I thought I'd lost forever. So how about you? Why not you? At the end of the day, I've given you a glimpse of what this could look like, a glimpse of what I've achieved. And remember, I'm no one special. I just followed the blueprint, the one that you could have your hands on today. So what's stopping you from achieving what I've done, or even more? So why don't you click the button? I'll send you some videos where my mentor Stuart will take you on a deep dive into what this thing really looks like. Why not take a look? You've got absolutely nothing to lose. Or perhaps you've got everything to gain. Come on, I'll see you there.